Here's a tour of my social blade. I am so good. I have 925, 468 subscriber rank. SB rank, sorry. C grade. 4,086 subscribers rank. 4,679,506 views rank. TBD country. I'm from the Philippines. TBD 92 subscribers. I have money. Hey. Yo. What the L? Okay. Omnibutions. Brr, patapim. How do I do this? This is getting bullshit. Okay. How do I even do this?